what's up guys? How the bloody hell are we? Welcome back to old Billy Forex. Right, I've just got back from the NEC show. It was great. I really enjoyed it. I had a good laugh with a couple of the guys that I went with. The overall kind of vibe I got from the show was manufacturers pushing innovation. You know, from Yamaha, for example, you had the Nikon or Nikon, I don't know how you pronounce that, but it's the kind of one wheel at the back, two wheel at the front, two wheels independently moving of their own. Each front wheel has two forks to it. It's amazing. Now, here's the thing. Actually, first of all, let me just apologise. I'm at work, so that noise, that's the machine in the background there making that kind of hum. So you just have to put up with that, I'm afraid. Yes, so it was a fantastic show, and like I said, manufacturers pushing innovation and technology and rider aids, and you know, pretty much all of the companies have adopted the TFT screens. Kawasaki, Suzuki, Yamaha, KTM, Triumph have all adopted it. Now the weird thing is, right, I love all bikes. It doesn't matter. I don't care if it's a crappy little beat up moped or a £50,000 race replica. I love it all, right? Now, I was standing there looking at the Nikon or Nikon, however you call it, the freewheel bike from Yamaha, and although it's not my cup of tea, I personally wouldn't go out and buy it. I really loved it, right? I appreciate the money and the expertise and the time and the effort that has gone in to designing this bike and getting it out there for the show. But as I was looking at it, there's this kind of steady stream of kind of grumpy, sad old men that just could not wait to slag it off. And I don't understand that. Why are you at the show? Just because I don't like it either, it doesn't mean it's a bad thing. But they were just ripping into it, and they were ripping into the Yamaha rep, the guy that was there to talk about it. I was thinking, Jesus Christ, what is wrong with you? Just, if you don't like it, walk on. Just go on by and look at your Triumph Bonnevilles that you obviously prefer to look at, you know, which I also like. That's the thing, you know, I love it all. But you can't really go, you shouldn't go to these things and just go there with like this negative vibe and just start slagging off bikes. And even with the Ducati, the new Panigale with the V4 engine, oh my God, it was absolutely beautiful. It's a stunning motorcycle. And every little part you can see has been meticulously designed to fit in with everything else. It just looks amazing. But then there's these guys going, nah, I don't like the way the swing arm comes round there, and I don't like the way, and I don't like this, and I don't like that. I feel like saying to them, is there anything you do like? It's a £40,000 motorcycle designed and built for speed and joy and pleasure, and that they're just picking it apart. No, I don't like. I'm thinking, where is your motorcycle company? How well is your, you know, international multi-billion-dollar motorcycle firm doing? If you can do better than that, then you know what, fair play to you, get out there and do it. But until then, this is what we've got, and we have to appreciate it, you know. Thank God for these companies making these bikes. You know, if it's a £5,000 brand new bike like a 125 or something from Suzuki, brilliant. You know, there's a market for that, you know. And it's these sort of people that put off new riders. I think everything should be welcomed with open arms. The beauty of it is you don't have to buy it. You know, that's the thing. We have so much choice. We are sport for choice. You can go retro with the analog clocks, or you can get the latest, I don't know, KTM with the everything digital and TFT. Anyway, I'm rambling on. It kind of it didn't annoy me, but it kind of dragged me down a little bit, and I'm thinking, geez, can you just say something positive? But anyway, hey, look at this. Huh? What do you reckon, guys? The old Billy Four Rocks thing. There's another logo on the back. I just thought I'd treat myself. There's a guy over the road from where I work, and he does this sort of stuff. It's not for sale, but I mean, if anyone wants one, I could probably get a deal for you. Let me see if I can show you the back. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. So it's a fantastic show, really good, had a great laugh. Brilliant venue, massive venue, all the major manufacturers were there, and all the kind of shed-built type guys were there with their bikes as well, and you can sit on them all and have a chat with them. Okay, so I'm going to upload some clips of what I took, just probably about a minute in length, not even that probably, just if you want to get a general vibe of what the show was like. Alright, is that it? Am I done? Yes, I am. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. Enjoy those bikes out there, they're all amazing. We're very, very lucky to have them. Take care, see you soon, adios, bye.